In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw support and resistance on Tradingview. Support and resistance are simply areas on your chart where price has struggled to break through in the past. Support sits below price and often acts like a floor. Resistance is above price and often acts like a ceiling. Getting these levels right helps you plan entries, exits, and risk. Start by switching to a higher time frame so you can clearly see the bigger picture. Daily or weekly charts work well. Zoom out and scan for obvious peaks and valleys. Those clear swing highs where price turned down and swing lows where price turned up. These turning points are your first clues. Don't worry about being perfect at this stage. You are just identifying the most visible areas where the market reacted decisively. Next, draw your levels. For precise, single price marks, use the horizontal line tool and drop a line right where you see repeated reactions. If price tends to react within a small band rather than at an exact tick, use the rectangle tool to create a zone. Zones are often more realistic because markets rarely pivot at a single exact number. Give each zone a little breathing room to capture both wicks and closes without making it too wide. Now connect multiple points to validate what you've drawn. Look for areas that price has touched or reversed from at least twice. 2 or more clean reactions make a level more meaningful. If you find yourself stretching lines to make them fit, that's a sign to simplify. Favor the most obvious reactions that stand out at a glance. Refine your chart to keep it readable. Click on a line or zone to adjust its color and thickness so you can quickly distinguish support from resistance. If your chart starts to feel crowded, hide or show lines to avoid clutter. The goal is a clean view where key levels are easy to spot and won't distract you from the current price action. If you prefer an automated assist, open the Indicators menu and search for Support and Resistance. Select Support and Resistance Levels with Breaks by Luxalgo. This community script will auto-draw key areas and highlight when levels are broken. Use it as a companion to your manual work. Compare its output to your own lines. Keep what aligns and discard what doesn't fit your trading plan. That's it. Thanks for watching.